In today's video, I'm going to teach you learn how to whiteboard in Confluence with draw.io. We'll walk through adding an interactive draw.io board to a Confluence page, customizing it, collaborating with your team in real time, and finishing up by saving and publishing your work so everyone can see it. Start by signing in to your Confluence workspace. Make sure you have permission to edit the page you'll be working on. If you don't see the Draw.io option later, it may mean the app isn't enabled for your site, so check with your admin before you proceed. Open the page where you want your whiteboard. You can choose an existing page you already use for team planning, notes, or sprint reviews. Keeping your board on a relevant page makes it easier for teammates to find and contribute without juggling separate tools. Enter edit mode on the page. In the editor, type the /, then start typing draw.io, and select the draw.io board macro. This drops a live whiteboard right into your page. You'll see a blank canvas and the familiar editor toolbar so you can start sketching immediately. Use the toolbar to add sticky notes, shapes, and connectors. Double-click anywhere on the canvas to quickly drop a text box or a default shape, then type to label your idea. Drag from the blue arrows on a shape to create connectors that snap neatly to other items. Use Shift to constrain lines or keep arrows straight, and duplicate useful elements to keep consistent formatting across your board. On the right side panel, fine-tune styles, colors, and layout. You can adjust fill and border colors, change fonts and sizes, and apply consistent spacing and alignment. A limited, consistent color palette helps make diagrams clearer and more accessible, especially for readers scanning complex flows. When you're ready to collaborate, invite teammates to edit in real time. Share the page with edit access, and you'll see live cursors and updates as others add notes, rearrange shapes, or comment. This is perfect for remote workshops, backlog grooming, or quick architecture discussions. Build out your diagrams using shapes that match your scenario, flowcharts for processes, swim lanes for responsibilities, or simple stickies for brainstorming. Name the board clearly in the editor so it's easy to find later. When you're done, save the diagram inside the macro, then publish the Confluence page so your changes are visible to viewers. For larger boards, open the outline or mini-map to navigate and zoom efficiently. It gives you a bird's eye view, lets you jump to key sections, and keeps you oriented during live sessions. That's it. You've added a draw.io whiteboard to a Confluence page, customized it, collaborated live, and published your work. Happy whiteboarding!